Yeah! Right, guys. Again, now this time we have two brackets, algebraic expressions, two brackets. The difference between this, as you can see, these two brackets are separated with a positive sign, whereas this, there's no sign in between. So, like I mentioned in previous videos, that if you see a bracket and there's a sign in front of it, you need to expand the sign with the whatever terms that's inside the bracket. Likewise for this, what's the sign here in front of this bracket? There's nothing here. By default, it's a positive. So whatever here positive, you need to multiply with this. You need to multiply with this. All right, whatever is positive, we can multiply with this, multiply with this. So I think you guys may have noticed by now that if it's positive beside the bracket, it just becomes it just need to take the value, whatever value inside the bracket, and just copy and paste, because positive times whatever usually gives you whatever. So this one will give you positive times 3x is 3x, positive times positive 4 is 4. See what I said about copy and pasting? So positive times negative 2x is negative 2x. Positive times negative 5 is negative 5. And I need to actually group the like terms. So this is the x family. This is the 2x. But 2x to the left of 2x is the negative sign. You cannot exclude that and discount that negative sign. So here we have 3x. It doesn't have a sign in front of it, so by default it's positive. So this one is, we have a positive 4 here. We have a negative 5 here. So your teacher may have taught you that if you make them to cards, as you can see here, we group the like terms together. So in this case, positive 4, we need to talk to negative 5. So this one, you just have to group the x family together. So now we look at this. Negative 5 plus 4. I don't know which one is easier for you. Negative 5 plus 4, of which you can press on a calculator. Or you can put positive 4 minus 5. Which one is easier for you? I would say positive 4 minus 5 is so much easier. Alright, but still I would recommend that you use a calculator to actually get your answer. So 3 apples minus 2 apples is 1 apple, but we do not in algebra to express in algebraic expressions, we do not use 1x. So I'm going to cancel that, and I'm just going to write, I don't, we don't say we have 1 apple, we have an apple. So 3 minus 1 is an apple, so x. So 4 minus 5 is negative 1. All right, let's look at the next value. We do not have a sign here. So what do we need to do? For example, this first term needs to communicate with this term here and the second one. And this term here, second one, in the first bracket, need to communicate with the first term and the second term. If you use the tic-tac-toe method, it might be useful. I don't know, it depends on your preference. You can just write 3x here, 3x plus 4, and negative 2x, and negative 5 here. So we need to ask ourselves, so what is 3x times negative 2x is negative 6x squared. All right, positive 4 times negative 2x is negative 8x. Can you see that I'm slowing down? Because we are humans. Again, we make mistakes. We need to check. So 3 times negative 5, you can press on a calculator. You get negative 15x. And then 4 times negative 5, you'll get negative 20. All right. And I'll need to copy and paste this in a exact manner. So negative 6x squared. I can just ignore all this because I already got my expansion of the algebraic values here. So I wrote negative 6x squared already. I'm going to write negative 8x. I'm going to write negative 15x. And I'm going to copy the last one, copy and paste here. Negative 20. So I'm going to identify like terms. Do I have a x square family anywhere here? No. Do I have an x family anywhere here? Yes, I have an x family here. All right, so these two definitely needs to communicate. So do I have a constant term here, a number? No. I mean, this is just by itself. So for these two buggers, we need to just copy and paste whatever that we have there. Minus 20. And this one is very tricky. Okay, you might think the answer is I don't know, maybe some people say 7, some people say it's -7, but I strongly recommend that you press this on a calculator, and when you press this on a calculator, you'll get -23x. So there you have it, the final answer. Thank you.